Alright, let's talk about the OnePlus Open 2, which is basically the global version of Oppo's upcoming Find N5. Oppo's been dropping teasers left and right in China, and from what we've seen so far, there's a lot to be excited about. The Find N5 is expected to launch in February 2025, and if history repeats itself, the OnePlus Open 2 should follow not too long after. Now, Oppo's really hyping up the Find N5's design, and they've confirmed something pretty wild. This thing is thin, like as thin as a USB-C port thin. That's a bold claim, and they're clearly making a big deal out of it. In fact, Oppo's product manager went on to say that the Find N5's thinness is pushing boundaries, not just for foldables, but for smartphone design in general. And honestly, from the images we've seen so far, it does look impressively sleek. But thinness isn't the only thing Oppo's flexing. They're also claiming that the Find N5 will be the only folding flagship on the market to support IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 water resistance ratings. That's a pretty big deal because it means the phone can handle everything from high-pressure water jets to being dunked underwater, up to 1.5 meters for around 30 minutes. In other words, this foldable is built to survive some serious splashes. But here's the catch. Those ratings only apply to freshwater, so if you're thinking about taking it to the beach, you might want to think twice. Plus, the X in the rating means there's no official dust resistance, which is something to keep in mind if you're planning to take it on dusty adventures. Now let's compare that to Samsung's latest foldables, like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Fold Special Edition. Those phones come with an IP48 rating, which does offer some dust protection, enough to block out objects over 1 mm. But when it comes to water resistance, Oppo might have the upper hand with the Find N5, especially with that IPX9 rating, which isn't something you see every day on foldable phones. Of course, all of this raises the big question. Will OnePlus keep these same impressive water resistance ratings when the Open 2 launches globally? We've seen brands cut features when bringing devices to different markets, so it's something to watch out for. That said, OnePlus has been learning from past mistakes, and the OnePlus 13 showed they're serious about keeping up with expectations. Hopefully they don't drop the ball on this one. With the Find N5's China launch just around the corner, we'll probably start getting even more leaks and confirmations soon. And once Oppo makes things official, it won't be long before OnePlus follows up with the Open 2. Fingers crossed, the global version sticks to everything we're seeing now, because it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the foldable space. So, what do you think? Are these water resistance ratings and the ultra-thin design enough to make the OnePlus Open 2 stand out? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates as we get closer to launch. Peace.